In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change font size on your Android smartphone. Today, I'm going to use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. Now we need to scroll down until we find the option which is called Display on my device. On yours it may be called something like Display and Brightness. In here we are looking for the option Font Size and Style. And that's where at the very top we can set different font. If we tap right here, we'll be able to choose different font simply by tapping on it, and it will immediately set this font as your current one for your entire device, including all the system menus. You can easily make your font bold by activating that option. And also, right here, we can change font size simply by dragging the slider left or right, and after a couple of seconds, it will apply these settings to your entire device, and we can see the result right now at my screen. In the same way, we can decrease it by dragging it to the left. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.